In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha real-time alerts. Real-time alerts are a simple way to stay on top of market moves without constantly refreshing a chart. Once you set a price level that matters to you, Seeking Alpha will let you know the moment that threshold is met, so you can react quickly and confidently. Start by opening Seeking Alpha on your phone, tablet, or computer, and navigate to the page for the stock you care about. You can search by the company name or ticker symbol. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, you want to land on the main stock page where you see the live price, the chart, and the company's overview. On that page, look for a bell icon or a button labeled Add Price Alert. It's typically located near the live price or directly under the chart. On mobile, it may appear at the top of the screen or beneath the price graph. On desktop, you'll usually find it beside the price header or in a toolbar near the chart. Tap or click that bell or button to open the alert setup. Next, enter your trigger price. This is the level that will prompt the alert. You can choose a threshold above the current price, below it, or both if the interface allows separate fields. For example, you might want to be notified if the stock goes above $100, signaling a potential breakout, or below $90, indicating a pullback you're watching for. Think of above as an alert for upward moves and below for downward moves. Enter the exact number that aligns with your plan. Then choose how you want to receive the alert. You can select push notifications, email, or both. Push notifications show up instantly on your device, which is great for time-sensitive decisions. Email alerts land in your inbox and are helpful if you prefer a written record or if you're often at your computer. If missing an alert would be costly, consider enabling both methods for redundancy. Finally, save the alert. After saving, you'll typically see a confirmation on the screen, and the bell icon may change appearance to show that alerts are active. From here, Seeking Alpha monitors the price in the background and lets you know when your trigger is hit. For push notifications to work, make sure notifications are allowed for the Seeking Alpha app and on your device. That's all it takes. Go to the stocks page, find the bell or add price alert, set your trigger price, choose push and/or email, and save. With real-time alerts in place, you can step away from the screen while staying connected to the moves that matter most.